Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a true collector's piece, something that blends elegance and craftsmanship and history as well. Small but significant accessory. So we're going to be going over the vintage gold-plated Cartier lighter. It's one of those items that's not just a tool but a statement. A little piece of luxury in the palm of your hand, essentially. Got a full set here, box papers, original box from the 70s. Beautiful Florentine engraving. You can see the play of light as the lighter turns. Different angles. So let's begin with the design. Cartier is of course known for its exquisite attention to detail, and this lighter is no exception. It's crafted in a beautiful gold-plated finish with a Florentine engraving. It has a rich, subtle shine. It's not overly flashy, but you can definitely feel the luxury when you hold it. The weight of it feels just right. It's not too light, which gives it that premium feel, but it's not too heavy either, making it comfortable to use. For even as daily use, perfect. You can see, beautiful lighter. I love how the roller just folds away nicely like that. So it folds in and out. So at first glance you'll notice the sleek rectangular design. Very streamlined, very elegant. It's a vintage piece, but the elegance of its design has stood the test of time for sure. You've got that signature Cartier engraving on the bottom, as I showed earlier. Cartier Paris. It's got the serial number, and it's also got your gold plaque, so 20 microns plaque, meaning it's gold plated to 20 microns. Quite generous for its time anyway. So now let's talk about the functionality. And this is where the craftsmanship really shines. So opening it up, as shown earlier, you'll see the internal mechanism, which is incredibly well made. The action of the flip is smooth. There's just something satisfying about the click when it opens. It's a clear reminder that Cartier didn't just make this lighter to be beautiful, it was made to work flawlessly as well. And especially has kept its condition, functionality over the course of how many, 50 years plus. So of course, what's a lighter without a good flame as well? I was showing you. The flame is nice and consistent. Strong flame. So when you ignite it, yeah, you get a steady, consistent flame. It's not just for show. It's functional as well. And it works every time you need it, whether you're using it to light a cigar or just enjoying the craftsmanship. The performance does not disappoint. So one of those things I really appreciate about this vintage Cartier lighter is the fact that it feels like it's meant to be cherished. It's not something you just toss in your pocket and forget about. It's a piece that begs to be displayed and cared for. So whether you're a fan of Cartier or simply a collector of luxury items, this lighter makes a statement, for sure. Definitely in my top 3 luxury lighters. I actually do prefer the vintage Cartier lighters over the modern, contemporary versions, especially due to that flick out on the side. It's really, really cool mechanism. Love the way they thought of that, and just the shape and size is perfect. I find the more contemporary versions are a little too short, each to their own. I'm more of a vintage appeal person anyway. So comparing this to modern lighters, there's a certain timelessness about it. In today's world, we often see lighters that are functional but not always beautiful or elegant. This Cartier piece, however, takes the everyday object and elevates it into something special. It's an accessory, a piece of art, and a part of Cartier's legacy, all wrapped up in one. So would I recommend the vintage gold-plated Cartier lighter? Absolutely. If you're someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, beautiful design, and a touch of luxury, this lighter is an incredible addition to your collection. It's not just about lighting a cigarette or a cigar, it's about owning a piece of history. A bit of Cartier's legacy and a truly functional luxury item. Take a last look at this up close. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to for more reviews of luxury items, watches and collectibles. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you own any Cartier accessories or lighters? Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, take care, keep enjoying the finer things in life.